Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this lesson, I want to teach you a must-know daily greeting phrase. Of course, you know 你好. It just sounds like hello. And you know to say 早餐, good morning. And also 你好嗎, how are you, right? But for Hong Kong people, the following greeting phrase is a must-use and very colloquial way to greet someone. Okay, so what is this? 你食咗飯未呀? 你食咗飯未呀? Do you know what I'm talking about? 你食咗飯未呀? Have you eaten yet? Have you eaten yet? 你 you 食 means eat 咗. So 咗 usually put after a verb to indicate a perfect tense. Okay, so 食咗 eaten. 飯 means rice or meal. Have you eaten yet? 你食咗飯未呀? May is yet. So 你食咗飯未呀? Okay, so this is a very common greeting phrase when we meet people, especially in the afternoon. So when we meet someone, 你食咗飯未呀? So we will usually greet with one another, asking your friends, have you eaten yet? 你食咗飯未呀? It is a very common greeting phrase. So if you have eaten, then you can say 食咗啦. 食咗啦, already eaten. Or not yet, 未食啊, 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 okay? So please remember this phrase, and next time when you greet your Cantonese friends, you can ask him or ask her, 你食咗飯未呀? 食咗飯未呀? Okay, so I hope you liked this video. Please give me a like and subscribe my channel so you can receive all the latest notification. See you in the next video. 多謝你收睇，再見，拜拜。